Hello everyone. Our lesson today talking about the polygon angle sum theorems. The polygon is the closed figure that formed from three or more line segments. Like for example the triangle 3 sides, the quadrilateral 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, hendecagon, dodecagon, and so on. Today we will explain how to find the sum of measures of the interior angles of any polygon. How to find the measure using this formula n minus 2 by 180. N represents the number of sides of the polygon. Here for example, how to solve this question? What is the sum of the interior angle measures of the heptagon? As we know that the heptagon 7 sides, then by applying this formula n minus 2 by 180, and we know that n represents the number of sides, then by writing n minus 2 by 180, 7 minus 2 by 180, because the heptagon 7 sides, then 5 multiply 180, this equal 900. Then the sum of measures of the interior angles of the heptagon 900 degrees. What is the sum of the interior angle measures of 17 gun? This polygon, it has 17 sides. Then let's apply our formula n minus 2 by 180, then 17 minus 2 by 180, 15 by 180, then we will get 2700. Find the number of sides of a polygon. If we know the measure of the sum of the interior angles of the polygon, how to find the number of sides? Since we know that n minus 2 by 180, this is the formula to find the measure of the interior angles, the sum of the interior angles, and since we have the measure of the interior angles 1980, let's write it like the equation. N minus 2 by 180 equal the sum of measures of the interior angles 1980. By dividing by 180, then we will get n minus 2 equal 1980 over 180. Then n minus 2 equal 11. Then n, by moving negative 2 to the other side, we will get that n, the number of sides, 13 sides. The same idea, let's solve the next question. The sum of interior angle measures of a polygon is 1440. How many sides does this polygon have? We have the measure of the interior angles. Let's find the number of sides. As we said here, we will divide by 180. The given angle, we will divide it by 180. Then n minus 2 equal the given angle 1440 over 180. We will get that n minus 2 equal 8. By moving negative 2 to the other side, then n equal 10 sides. Using the polygon angle sum theorem, how to find the measure of angle y? This is a pentagon, 5 sides. At the first, we need to find the measure of the interior angles of the pentagon by applying the formula n minus 2 by 180. We have 5 sides in this pentagon, then 5 minus 2 by 180, then 3 by 180 equal 540. Then the sum of measures of the interior angles of the pentagon 540. Then we can find the fifth angle. Here we have 4 given angles. Then we will write measure of angle y equal 540 minus the sum of the given angles. Then measure of angle y equal 70. What is the measure of angle G? By the same way, this is quadrilateral, 4 sides. Then to find the measure of the fourth angle, by applying the formula n minus 2 by 180, we will get that the measure of the interior angles of the quadrilateral 360 degree. then measure of angle G equal 360 minus the sum of the given angles, then 360 minus the given equal 102. The regular polygons. At the first, let me identify the equilateral polygon. As we explained before, the equilateral polygon, the polygon that has all sides are congruent, all sides are equal, the same length. The equiangular polygon, all the angles of the polygon, they have the same measure, all of them congruent, the angles are congruent. But what about the regular polygon? The regular polygon, it has both equilateral and equiangular. That means the regular polygon, all sides are congruent and all the angles also are congruent. Like for example, like the equilateral triangle, all the sides are congruent and all the angles also are congruent. And we have the square, also this is regular polygon, and so on. How to find the measure of each interior angle of the regular polygon? By using this formula, n minus 2 by 180 over n. What is the measure of each interior angle in the regular hexagon? The regular hexagon, the hexagon, as you know, 6 sides. Then 6 minus 2 by 180 over 6. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 180, 720, divide 6. We will get the measure of each interior angle of the regular hexagon is 120 degree. What is the measure of each interior angle in regular nonagon? Nonagon is 9 sides. Then by applying the same formula, n minus 2 by 180 over n, then 9 minus 2 by 180 over 9, then 7 by 180 equal 1260 over 9. Then the measure of each interior angle in the nonagon, in the regular nonagon, is 140 degree. How to find the measure of the exterior angles? The measure of exterior angle of any polygon, the sum of measures of the exterior angles of any polygon, 360 degree. Whatever this is, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles equals 360 degree. By applying this fact, how to find the measure of angle 1 in this regular octagon? Regular octagon, we have 8 sides. Before finding the measure of the exterior angle, angle 1, let's find the interior of angle 1. That means the interior angle of the regular polygon. As we said, we will apply our formula n minus 2 by 180 over n, then 8 minus 2 by 180 over 8, then 6 multiply 180, 1080 over 8, then each interior angle, the measure of each interior angle of this regular octagon is 135 degree. Then the measure of angle 1, to find the exterior of this angle, we will subtract it from 180. Then measure of angle 1 equal 45 degree. What is the measure of an exterior angle of regular nonagon? 9 sides. Let's apply the same formula. n minus 2 by 180 over n, then 9 minus 2 by 180 over 9, 7 by 180 equal 1260 over 9. Then the measure of each interior angle of the regular nonagon is 140 degree. Then we can find the measure of the exterior angle. How? By subtracting this angle from 180, then the measure of the exterior angle equal 40 degree. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.